How's it going, guys? Josh here. So it's 2020 now, guys. 2020. That's got like a futuristic ring to it. But anyway, I really want this to be a special year for the channel. So I've been thinking of some things I could do to make the channel a bit more interesting. Now, fortunately, you guys always help me out with stuff like this by leaving comments. And recently, several of you have asked me if I'd start a series where you guys can send in your setups to be featured on the channel. So I thought, well, I'll do a poll on the YouTube app, see what the rest of you think. And loads of you said you'd be up for tuning into a submit your setup type series. And to be honest, I'd love to do it. There's loads of you out there that are super talented at designing and setting up your workspaces and gaming setups. And yeah, I think it'd be nice to showcase that. Also, I could potentially give you some feedback on your setup and any suggestions I might be able to come up with to help you improve it. Now, of course, there are a few other channels that do this sort of thing already. We can't not acknowledge the legendary Room Tour Project and Setup Wars, but I was thinking, surely there's loads of people that send in their setups to bigger channels and don't manage to get featured. I mean, those guys must literally get thousands of submissions. So, the more the merrier. Or maybe, like me, you're just too scared to submit it to Setup Wars because you think Mr. Ed from TechSource will tell you off for forgetting to cable manage your shoelaces. But yeah, anyway, I just thought it'd be nice to have a series on the channel, something that we can do maybe once a month to begin with. So the series, it's going to be called Setup Paradise. I think that's a pretty good name. I'm going to upload each episode on the first Friday of each month. Like I said, we'll do one episode a month to begin with and just see how it goes. Maybe I'll get sued after the first episode. Now, as regards submitting your setup, I'm going to need the following things. Your first name, your age, and the country you're from. That way I can add it in alongside your setup when it's featured in the video. If you've got a YouTube channel or Twitch or whatever, feel free to drop that in there as well. Pictures wise, I want at least 10 pictures of your setup. Make sure they're good quality if you're taking them on a smartphone. Best thing to do is give the camera sensor as much light as possible. So best time to take them would probably be during the daytime. And make sure you take them in landscape as well, guys. So the pictures, this is just a rough guide, by the way. Send as many as you want, but yeah, a wide angle shot taken from this angle or the other side, depending on your room layout. A picture of your setup from the front, so head on. A picture of your mouse and one of your keyboard. Send us a picture of your headphones as well. 2 pictures of your cable management, one that shows underneath the desk and one behind the monitors. And finally, a picture of your PC. Now, if you can take an additional one with the side panel off, that would be awesome. But if you can't, don't worry. If there's anything else you think is relevant, feel free to take a picture of that as well. Now, in addition to the pictures, I'll need a list of all the stuff in your setup. So that includes your desk, your PC specs, all your peripherals, monitors, TV, keyboard, mice, mouse pads, speakers, headphones, etc. You get the idea. Feel free to tell me about any other little accessories you might have in your setup as well. I always love it when people have cool stuff dotted around the room and on the walls, like a katana, for example, or a compound bow, or maybe just some pop vinyl figures. And finally, don't forget to tell me what your main use for the setup is. Is it for gaming? Is it for productivity? Let me know. When you got all that together, head over to wetransfer.com, attach your pictures, list your stuff, and send it to submissions@techtesseract.co.uk. And that's it. Each month I'll pick 5 setups to showcase. Hopefully it will give some of you guys a bit of inspiration for your own setups. Should be fun, can't wait. Let me know down below in the comments, guys, if you plan on submitting your setup. By the way, I'll have all the details regarding submissions listed in the description of this video and on every subsequent episode of Setup Paradise, so you can check the requirements there if you need to. With that being said, I look forward to featuring some of your guys' setups on the channel very soon. Thanks for watching today, guys. I'll catch you all in the next one.